Welcome back. We spend a lot of time digging through the AI agent store, always finding interesting tools.
Definitely a go-to resource.
But today, we're doing something a bit different, not reviewing a specific agent.
Right. We're looking at this product they offer called Founder Insights. It tackles that huge validation problem.
Exactly. How do you know what AI product to actually build before you sink months, maybe years, into coding it?
hmm
And this Founder Insights, it claims to offer like an unfair advantage using real data. Is that really possible?
Well, that's what we're unpacking. It's essentially market intelligence sold directly as a service from the platform itself. Pretty interesting model.
Okay, so let's break down what's inside. First up, Real Visitor Insights.
Yeah.
They say you can ask AI who knows all the on-site conversations. So insights from actual people browsing the store.
And the technical detail here is kind of important. They stress they load the full data context to the AI.
Yeah, not RAG.
Right, not retrieval augmented generation. RG is great for pulling specific answers, sure, but loading the full context, that lets the AI synthesize spot connections, maybe nascent trends, stuff a founder wouldn't even know to ask about.
Ah, okay. So it's looking for broader patterns, not just finding keywords.
Exactly. Potentially much more powerful for uncovering, unmet needs.
Got it. Then there's this subscriber goals data, extracting one-year goals from newsletter subscribers.
Yeah, I see the skepticism.
How reliable can that be? Is it just wishful thinking people type into a sign-up form?
Well, look, it's not about predicting one person's future. It's about the aggregate. When you see thousands of people mentioning similar goals, even aspirational ones,
Yeah.
and you combine that with the actual conversion data, it starts to paint a picture. It stops you building something nobody's even thinking about. Gives you, let's say, directional confidence.
Right, okay. Directional confidence. I like that. And that leads us to the conversion analytics.
Precisely. This is hard data. Conversion ratios page open to actual link click for, over 1,000 AI products.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, and it's visualized. Graphics showing aggregated industry trends, category performance, even country metrics, all from their real site traffic.
So you're basically getting insider info on what's resonating with users on that specific platform.
It's founder level stuff, yeah. The idea is to help you ship what the market already wants, or at least what this active segment of the market shows interest in.
But hang on, isn't there a potential bias? If it's all data from just the AI agent store,
That's a fair question.
does it really reflect the whole market or just what their specific users like?
It reflects a very specific and arguably valuable part of the market. These are people actively searching for, comparing, and trying out AI tools, high-intent users.
Okay, so maybe more focused than a broad generic survey.
That's the argument, yeah. It's a snapshot of the validation-seeking crowd.
All right, makes sense.
Yeah.
So if this intel is potentially that useful, what's the cost? I saw something about an early bird offer.
Yeah, they're doing a push now. Lock in $199 a year. They're signaling the future price will be significantly higher, like $999.
Whoa, okay, so the $199, that's the bootstrapper rate.
Right. Aimed squarely at indie devs, solopreneurs, really small teams, pre-revenue projects, people needing to test ideas fast without breaking the bank.
And the other tier.
That's the team rate. $599 a year, targeted more towards funded startups, maybe VCs, angels, larger teams who need this kind of intel for strategic planning.
So they see it as core infrastructure, not just a nice-to-have tool.
Seems like it. And it fits with their other stuff, too. They have marketing solutions, an affiliate program.
I've seen those. And things like Long Summary or Skydies.
Yeah, Skydi's their AI assistant builder. It feels like they're building out a whole ecosystem around AI development and deployment. The really big shift here, maybe the meta point, isn't just this specific product. It's the idea of platforms selling their own market intelligence directly.
Turning their traffic data into a sellable roadmap.
Exactly. Instead of founders trying to piece together market research from scratch, they buy it as a service derived from real user behavior. It changes the product strategy game, potentially.
Interesting perspective. So if you want to explore this Founder Insights or just check out the agents, the place to go is aiagentstore.ai.
That's the one.
Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this useful, please do take a second to rate the show. It really helps.